Kullu Manali in the Himalayas is a paradise for adventurers. Today, the roads are exchanged for the skies to begin an unforgettable paragliding journey. Kullu Manali offers an experience unlike any other, from vibrant markets to snow-clad peaks. Get ready to see nature's grandeur from a new perspective. Visuals journey to the launch site, briefing by the pilot, the moment of running and lifting off. Voice-over style excitement, slight nervousness transitioning to exhilaration. Script ideas. As the launch site is approached, anticipation builds. A quick safety briefing and it's time to fly. Taking that leap of faith and airborne. Feeling the wind, the mountains are calling. 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock the flight in panoramic views. Visual sweeping shots of the Kullu Valley, Peace River towering peaks and other paragliders. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock the landing and reflection. Visuals the descent, gentle landing. The reaction after the flight.